guys, my name is Fatima. Today I'm gonna make our father series. What? Today I'm gonna make our father series. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, press the button. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, guys. Hi guys, my name is Fatima. Today I'm gonna make hair mask. I'm gonna use aloe vera and oil and
what is that?
celery. I also gonna use blender too, and knife and spoon and bowl and cutting board. First I need this. So we need to cut this aloe vera and cut it like this, like me.
Dah, enough itu.
Okay, that's enough.
Uh-huh.
Aloe vera need to peel off. Mami bantu aku dah. Mami help me. Kayak gini ya peel offnya.
Yeah.
Kids, if you want to cut this aloe vera, tell your mom and dad to help you. If you want to do this, tell your mom and dad. Okay? If kids use knives, it will be dangerous and have blood on it.
So
tell mom and dad to help you. Now we cut celery into small pieces like this. Don't forget to use the leaf. I'm gonna use my hand. Oh yeah. Well, if I'm cutting the leaf, I cannot use a knife. I can use my hand not to eat. It's too fast if you use a hand like this. Okay, the leaf is finished. One more. And put the ingredient in, like aloe vera, celery, oil, then into the blender. Guys, I forget to add oil.
How much you add?
3.
3 tablespoons.
Yeah. 1 left. Finish?
Yeah.
Okay, that's finished.
Okay.
Go. Look, it's finished. Now all we do is to fix it.
Really?
All we do is put it in the bowl again.
Masukkan. Masuk sendiri. Okay.
Okay, it's finished, guys. Now it's time to make my hair green. Now it's time to make my hair beautiful and shiny. And I need a towel and a pin.
Okay.
Let's go and outside. I put chair for sitting. Now I'm gonna put this and this. Ta-da! It looks like it's a pretty well. Bantu ya, guys. Tempat sama rumah aku. I did it by myself. Disgusting green slime. My mom is gonna make my hair beautiful and shiny. After my hair adjusting my hair. Oh, this is so pretty. This is a wig. My hair is disgusting.
Kenapa?
I don't like green hair. I only like rainbow's hair.
Ya nanti kan habis itu wait until tadi katanya wait until berapa? Wait apa?
Until
30 minutes. Terus kan nanti habis itu dicuci rambutnya, nanti jadi black lagi.
Kan rambutku masih clean.
Masih apa?
My hair masih clean.
Basah.
Shampoo, fun. Now it's Asiyah's turn. Mommy putting her mask
Creambath ya.
on Asiyah's hair.
Rambutnya dikasih apa sih ini?
Look, Asiyah is look funny and cute. Hi guys, I already washed my hair. Look. And I already have my outside my mom. My hair is shiny and silky, guys. Look, if I touch my hair is smooth and one Now you can see Asiyah's hair look like black. She's smiling. Okay guys, it's over now. See you guys for next week on Fatima's channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the button. Bye guys.